శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. జై గురుదత్త. ముందుగా అప్పాజీ వారి పాద పద్మములకు నా నమస్కారములు. అలాగే రవీంద్ర బొగ్గారం గారు మరియు శ్రీకాంత్ దత్త గారికి మరియు భగవద్బంధులందరికీ నా నమస్సుమాంజలులండి. అట్లాగే ఎంతోమంది నిగూఢ సేవకులు, శ్రీ సేవకులు, వానర సేవకులు, దత్త సేవకులు ఎంతోమంది అద్భుతంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమాలు చాలా నిగూఢంగా నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు. మనకు ఏమాత్రం తెలియకుండా వెనక ఎంతో చాలా అద్భుతమైన వర్క్ జరుగుతోంది. వారందరికీ నా వందనములు. I thought of sharing my takeaways from the recent learnings of Saundarya Lahari, Sundarakanda, Bhagavad Gita. As we are really blessed, I always used to tell many people that Dallas is an enlightenment center in US. And as Appaji said in the recent, one of the bhashyams recently, the temple is not just for darshan or doing archana, eating prasadam and then go. The temple should teach the Samskruti, the traditions, our culture, our achara vyavharalu, and then very importantly, it should teach the Vedic culture. And we are really blessed that this temple actually had produced 10,000 students, more than 10,000 students of Bhagavad Gita, and irrespective of age, caste, religion, and close to 500 people of Saundarya Lahari students, and close to 400 students of Sundarakanda. And this activity, this yagnam is keep going on a continuous basis. And this is continuously happening since the temple has started for quite some time, for the last 8 years. Would like to say a few words about Ravindra Garu. He taught us the Sundarakanda for 2 years, spending his enormous amount of time, energy and efforts, and shared the tons of knowledge. Again, this knowledge you cannot get anywhere. And with live examples, he has literally took us the part of Sundarakanda, all 68 sargas, he has immersed us into those sargas. We were sitting in the Lanka and we are watching what is happening. I personally, for sure, from my heart, I felt many instances, the way he taught us. He has took a lot of historical facts and he compared with modern science, and see that modern science is infinite years backwards. It's not finite, it's infinite years backwards. Though we are thinking modern science is like we are very forward, which is not true. Because all these things, he literally gave us examples. In between, he taught patriotism by giving very good examples of Maharaj Chhatrapati Shivaji, Rana Pratap, and his horse, Chetak. He gave many examples like that. Again, it was really a great blessing for all of us as he immersed us in with a lot of Desha Bhakti while he was teaching everything. And he helped us reciting many complex shlokas. If we all remember that pretty much every shloka, he literally break it down at certain point and explain why it has to be broken it like that. And he explained meanings of many shlokas. It was not definitely an easy task. Again, ఇది ఆజన్మాంతర రుణానుబంధం అంటారు. ఇటువంటి రుణం మనం ఎన్నటికీ తీర్చుకోలేము. అంత అద్భుతమైన నాలెడ్జ్ మనందరికీ ఇచ్చారు. There are many takeaways of Sundarakanda Parayana, especially, be able to handle any tough situations in the life very easily, and never lose confidence. And the seed of thinking the purpose of this life, and many more, we actually learned as part of Sundarakanda Parayana, and as well as Saundarya Lahari Parayana. Well, equally, Shrikant Garu also driving on the other hand on the Bhagavad Gita. What are certain things that my takeaways out of that Bhagavad Gita Parayanam, and understanding the fantastic classes, the SGS study classes that he is helping us and conducting those classes, how to perform sadhana to attain bhakti and jnana. And it will really build the maturity towards adhyatmika sadhana. leaving slowly the materialistic things, and he gave us many number of examples, how to do that, and how to detach from the attachments. And do you really want to have your next life? Well, karmanabandham, it is quite possible we might have to take rebirth. But if you happen to have that, what is that you want to be in your next life? It's a great opportunity for us to decide, and that is exactly what Gita taught us. And there are many other things, but I don't want to take too much time. I really wanted to take my sincere few minutes of time to convey my heartful feelings to the Adhyatmika Gurus, to Adhyatmik Shikshaks, and Dhanyavada. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Jai Gurudatta.